Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's going to be a wash routine, a particular one in fact. I think I have different ways of washing my hair actually. Right now, I have my hair in cornrows, you know, the wig cornrows, so it looks terrible, but this is how I wash my hair when I have these braids in. The reason why it's different is because I don't wash it in a normal way, if that makes sense. But I've discovered that this actually helps a lot with length retention and preventing breakage. And you'll see why. So just let's just get to the video. I also really don't want to have to do a voiceover. So I might try to talk or I might not talk at all. I'll just see how this goes really. These are the hair products I typically use. I mean, I don't think Aussie is the best though, but this is the shampoo, conditioner and deep conditioner I use. This is actually the secret. Like this, I love it so much. Like I can literally feel the difference in my hair, like softness and everything when I use this. Even if I get rid of this too, I would always have the 3-minute miracle. That's what it's called. I'll probably have the link to everything, to all these, everything I actually use in my description box. But I think you can actually get them in like Walmart, so there's really no need. But just in case, I'll still have the links in the description. I've had it for like over a month though. Look at my tiny ponytail. Let's get into the video.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the love for a faded fuck. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. A little more, give a little less. Now you hate to confess, but baby, who you need?
Okay, so I'm done doing my hair. My hair actually feels squeaky clean. Next step is the step I dread, which is taking down the braids. I honestly hate this part. For this part, I use this conditioner, so I'm going to have the conditioner in my hair while I take it down.
You've been rolling around, shit and roll it up. Let her roll it up. Break it down like a punch, shit would never us. Shit would never us.
I know this seems very unconventional,
How you feel, how you
but
feel? Used to drip
this
off that
works
shit
for
I
me,
was
so.
kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I'll give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. Don't care. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me.
Taking out the cornrows, the next step is to deep condition, which I'm going to do right now.
But baby, who